Welcome! Today, we're exploring a new Instagram feature that makes it easier than ever to see the number of likes on a carousel post directly from your PC. If you've ever wondered how your multi-image or multi-video posts are performing, this update has you covered. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by heading to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a web browser that supports all of Instagram's latest features for the smoothest experience. Once you're logged in, start scrolling through your feed or navigate to a specific profile to find the carousel post you want to check. Carousels are those posts with multiple images or videos that you can swipe through, making them a favorite for sharing a series of moments or telling a story in one post. After you've found the carousel you're interested in, look directly underneath the post. Here, you'll see a variety of engagement metrics, including the number of comments and, most importantly, the likes count. The likes count is now displayed clearly, so you can instantly see how much engagement the post is getting without any extra clicks or searching. This new update is especially helpful for content creators, marketers, and anyone curious about how their posts are resonating with followers. You no longer need to switch between devices or dig through menus to track your engagement. Everything you need is right there on your PC screen. To recap, the process is simple. Open Instagram on your computer. Find the carousel post you want to check. Look underneath the post to see the likes count displayed prominently. That's all it takes. With this update, keeping track of your carousel post performance is straightforward and hassle-free. Enjoy exploring your engagement stats and happy scrolling on Instagram.